Sorors Hey, I know I've been MIA for a minute, but your girl's been going through some things. And I had to let this box go for a little bit. But someone blessed me with the box. So I'm going to give you a review for the box for the month of April. So if you want to hear what I got to say about this here box, stay tuned. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye.
Check it out.
Hey, Sorors Hey. How are you all doing? I know I've been MIA for a while here on YouTube, but if you follow me on TikTok, then you know what's been going on with me. So if you don't know, last June I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I had my surgery in December, started my radiation treatments in February, and last Thursday I rang the bell. So I had to let this box go for a little bit because cancer treatment is expensive. And so I had to let this box go. But people kept blessing me with the box. Thank you, Sorors. That blessed me with the box. So I'm going to work my way backwards. So I'm starting with February. I'm starting with April. Excuse me. Starting with April. But I'm going to go back all the way back to January with my reviews. Yes, Sorors. So let's start with April. The April was kind of good. To all, let me give my disclaimer. I am not a Delta Box ambassador. I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, a consumer of this Delta Box, and therefore I have every right to give them my opinion about the box, its contents, and their services. Good, bad, or indifferent. So my reviews are raw, real, honest, and uncut, but most of all, truthful. Okay, Sorors, now that my disclaimer is out the way, if you don't like what I got to say about the Delta Box, you can exit right now. To all the 2024 Spring Neos, welcome to our illustrious sisterhood. I know a lot of y'all are excited to get this here box. But again, if you want an honest review about the contents of said box, you've come to the right place. My name is Joy. This is my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. I have a wide variety of content here, but for now, we're going to discuss the April Delta box. So let's get into it. Okay, for all the Neos, this is your return card. If your outfit is too little, too big, too long, too short, your box is missing items, your items in the box was damaged, if you have any issues with the box itself, you fill this card out. Repackage the box. You do have to pay return shipping and handling. It is $15.99, but this is your return card. All right, every month they give us a theme card. This month's theme is Chosen, Anointed, and Equipped. And it is based on 1 John 2:27. I'm not going to argue about this theme. This is a good scripture because Sorors, we are all anointed, appointed, chosen, and equipped by God. Whatever assignment God gives you to do, He's going to equip you to do that assignment. So don't ever think that you're not equipped to do the job that God has given you. He's going to send you the people that you need, the resources that you need. He's going to put you in the right place at the right time to complete the assignment that He has given you for that particular season. I ain't come on here to preach, but y'all know I'm an evangelist and it's just going to come out. All right. So let's get into the what's in I'm sorry. What's in the box? Y'all, I ain't done one of these in so long. What is in the box? A varsity midi dress and a Delta Sigma Theta Shield handbag. All right, let's get into the little bag. This is the bag. Now it says shield bag, but it doesn't have the shield on it. It has the symbols with the trademark. It has little tortoiseshell handles. It has red interior. And it has a detachable adjustable strap. So you can drape it across you, what have you. This is a cute little bag. Now, the Delta box came correct for once. This is really cute. I like the little bag. This is great for date night, Deltaversary celebrations, brunch, going to a function. This is perfect. Love, love, love this little bag. All right, dear Delta, y'all did something good. Let's get into the dress. So here is the dress. It is a lightweight knit dress. It has the crest on it in red and white, trademark symbol. It is sleeveless. It has the red and white trim around the neck. Here is my photo in the dress. I look cute. I like the dress. My only issue is it's black. Why couldn't it be red and white and you put black on the neck or something like that? That's my only issue with it. It is kind of lightweight. My dress is a large. I thought I was going to have to resize, but the large worked nice. Again, here's my photo. Bam. The dress is cute. I got a little bag draped across me. This is cute. Dear Delta, y'all had the right people in the meetings for this month. Thank you very much. Now, I'm looking forward to seeing what we're going to get in May, because we're supposed to get some special kind of treat gift. I don't know, from that debacle earlier in the year. And I'm going to talk about that in my other video, but not this video. But yeah, that's my review, Sorors. I have no real major issues about this box. For those of us that are in the South and in the Southwest, it's hot. So we don't have long to wear this dress. So get the wear out of this dress while you can, because this heat is kicking in for the summer, and they saying this is gonna be one of the hottest summers that we have in the South and the Southwest. So I probably wear that regional. What's up, Southwest? The blazing Southwest. We are blazing. I'll take it to regional. I'll wear that regional conference to something in the evening, like when we go out to dinner or something like that. But yeah, I like the little bag. I like the dress. Keep this momentum going, dear Delta, in this direction with good stuff. I guess you listened to what I had to say on TikTok and with the list I gave y'all from the Sorors. I hope so. Okay. So once again, Sorors, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Joy. This is my channel, Joy from Triumphant. I have a wide variety of content on my channel, but if you're just here to see my Delta Box reviews, I'm back. We're going to be back on track with the Delta Box reviews. Again, I want to say thank you to all the Sorors who supported me through my cancer journey, whether you called me, text me, supported my GoFundMe account. My GoFundMe account is still open, even though I have completed my treatment sessions. I'm still paying for them. So if you would like to donate to my GoFundMe, and the Lord put it on your heart, Sorors, to help me out and donate to my cancer treatment fund, I'll put the link in the description box. And I would greatly appreciate it for those Sorors that have already donated. Thank you, thank you, Thank you so much. Y'all please excuse the noise. Everybody who's always come here before, y'all know my neighbor upstairs. She do this every time I make a video. She just make noise, and I apologize for the noise. But again, thank you, Sorors, for all your prayers, love, support. It meant the world to me while I was going through this ordeal. But God is a healer, I'm telling you. He is amazing. And I can't wait to share my testimony. I'm going to make some videos. Unfortunately, I couldn't record none of my stuff because the clinic where I was getting my treatment did not allow recording. The only day I could record was when I rung the bell. Now, I was sneaking record stuff while I was in the changing room. So I have little videos here and there, but I'm going to try to edit them all together and just document my journey. But again, Sorors, thank you. I love you all. I appreciate you all. I hope you are enjoying your April Delta box. I'm pleased with this box. I got no issues. I know it's a surprise because I didn't have to say, "Dear Delta box, what is you doing?" I didn't have to say it this month. I know. But I'm gonna say it in these other videos because I'm gonna go back and review January, February, and March. But anyway, again, my name is Joy. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. I'm back, and I'll see y'all in the month of May when we get the May Delta box and whatever this surprise is that we're supposed to get. What do you think it is? Leave a comment below. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video, and I'll see you next month, Sorors. And I'm out. Ooh.